Were you ever curious how to add custom fields that may contain links for emails that you may want to send to your clients? Well, here's a quick tip. So, if we go into our settings and let's say we create a custom field for a deal that we want to link to maybe their listing on Zillow, we can actually put in Zillow link. We'll make that a text type field. We have a couple of options here. So when we go to our deal, what we can actually do is on that custom field, we can now call it whatever we may need to call it. So let's just put in www.zillow.com. And so awesome. This text will show up and appear in the email. Now, if that email is sent to a cell phone, this will show up as a link. But obviously, that does not always happen on the email side of things to a desktop or a laptop, something of that nature. So, we're actually going to want to make this into a hyperlink on the message template itself. So, we have a couple of options here. So, if we go to our message templates, and let's just create a new template. We can have our general opening line. And then what you can do, you have two options here. We can start with just Zillow link. And if we do Zillow link, we can just click link, it's the field. And so whatever you type in here, regardless of how long it is going to appear. So if there are a lot of backslashes and random text, it's going to be a fairly long link that appears here. The other option that you have is to actually create text. And so let's call this Zillow link. Then what we can do is if we know what the field looks like, so I usually like to have it in there, I'll copy and paste it. I will then make Zillow link kind of the uh, option that I want. And in this box, we are actually going to enter the URL, or in this case, the actual deal field for Zillow link. So that custom field. We'll click save. And now this will be the actual hyperlinked text. So whatever you plug in there, rather than it being many hundreds of characters long, potentially, will be nice and condensed to that Zillow link. So I hope you find this helpful. Will save a lot of time. That way you can kind of just go in and add all of your links into custom fields, and then they will autofill on this message template for you.